What's up, my unicorns? I know it's been a while, but like a lot of stuff has been going on. But first off, let me just apologize because I am way too close to the camera with her hair. But, anyways, to give a little backstory, she went to another stylist before me and they were supposed to color and press her hair. They didn't color it how she wanted it and it was not healthy, but she put a black box dye on her hair. So, black hair color can sometimes help when you get a botched hair color. I have to make a whole nother video to really just explain that in depth. But since she used the box hair dye, it's something that's on her hair. I don't know if she used semi or demi, but I feel something is just on her hair. And she knows what I'm talking about. But if y'all know what that's called, please comment down below. But anyway, she found me on Facebook, and so basically she booked the first time natural hair client. First time natural hair clients receive treatments based off of what their hair needs for free. Well, not for free, but like at a discounted price. So they get like the works and all that, plus a silk press and a trim, or a blowout and a trim, whatever style that they choose. But I try to make sure a trim is incorporated in it. So you see, like, look at her hair, like it's curly, then straight, then curly again. It's just, we gonna work on it. So she's gonna be consistent, hopefully, and I'm gonna get her back right. But yeah, y'all know I use Tresemme heat protectant. Oh, and I've started using Olaplex bond smoother. So like with the heat protectant, and I also use the Palm Chiffon pomade and the cheese silk infusion. I only put products on the hair when it's wet. After I blow dried it and all that, I don't put nothing else on it. If I decide to put anything else on it, it's only going to be a heat protectant. That's it. I don't put anything else on it because products absorb better when the hair is wet. It makes it less oily in my experience. It doesn't weigh the hair down. It's less oily and all that good stuff. But yeah, I'm going to leave all the products that I use down below. So, like I've said before, what makes for a perfect silk press, number one, is a good shampoo. You need to use a clarifying shampoo and then a moisturizing shampoo. You see how clean her scalp is? Yeah. So I use the Palm Mitchell's clarifying shampoo. It's gonna be the one with the blue cap. And then I used Olaplex products because she really needed some Olaplex. I love Olaplex. At first, when I was detangling her hair, I used Olaplex Step 0, and that's another reason I love Olaplex. You can forget the name of the products, and all you gotta do is just remember the number. Like, that's it. But yeah, y'all know my technique. I love using the round brush. I love the other round brushes now better than the bristle ones because they help keep the hair pull tighter and detangles a little bit better as I go versus this bristle one. But I don't know why I didn't use that one. But anyways, yeah, I know I'm still gonna get the job done. It's gonna look like a fucking professional ass blowout once I get done. And a good blowout is the second thing to make sure that you have a bomb ass silk press. So a clean scalp, clean hair, and a good blowout will help for you to have like a bomb ass silk press. Now, the fact that she has this demi, I don't know what it is on her hair. Even after I washed her hair, I even steamed her hair, that she still has that feeling on her hair. I've never felt that before. So I'm kind of thinking maybe it was like a demi that she used. I don't know, but I don't know, y'all. Like, I'm still new to the game, still learning, but we're gonna work with it, and she's gonna transition to being fully natural. So that's not gonna last. I'm gonna cut all that off. Let me stop playing. But a lot of people ask me like, how do I do this? Like, and I don't know, maybe since I've been doing it for so long, I mean, it's become natural. It's like so easy to me. Like, all I do is just chase it with the blow dry. Like, this blow dry technique is like so easy to me. It looks even better with the other round brushes, like the ones that only have the combs attached to it. But like, as you see, I mean, it almost looks like a frizzy, almost look like a flat iron. Like, but we finna silk press this shit. Okay, now we in full screen, y'all. I finally rotated the damn camera. But yeah, I'm just still blow drying it. I'm finna skip past this. Y'all ain't seen that already. Here come the good part right here, y'all. So my clients, they don't really like this part, but yep, the infamous hot comb. But I can't wait till I get like a Marcel hot comb. But like, what is a silk press without a pressing comb? You feel me? But I have noticed like the drastic change looking at like older pictures of when I called myself doing the silk press. Yeah, you gotta get the kitchen. But when I called myself doing a silk press without actually, using a pressing comb, and I'm able to, with her, she doesn't have that many short hairs, so I don't have to get at the edge and hold it while I press it. I could just go in. But it is a drastic change using a pressing comb versus only using a flat iron. I mean, if you have a Marcel flat iron, I mean, yeah, hopefully I'll have one of those soon. But what is a silk press without a press? Like, keep it real. But anyways, my clients, they don't like this part, but that's too damn bad. Let me stop playing. But y'all see it. Y'all fucking see it. Let me stop cursing, because they not gonna monetize my video. Okay, now I'm finna go in with my Babyliss Pro Nano Flat Iron. I have the one that heats up on the outside and the regular one. I like the regular one. Here it is. And did you see how like straight their hair was before I even took the flat iron to it? Like, yeah, start using y'all a pressing comb. But I always only did like one pass. I would go over the roots like twice, and then I would, do the ends once. It's no need for them excessive passes that hairstylists or anybody be doing. One girl told me she need a better flat iron because she have to go over her client's hair 7 times. No, you need another technique, baby. Like 7 times. Come on now. But y'all see, these techniques been unique. Y'all better subscribe and follow me on all socials so y'all can stay updated on what's going on. Y'all see it? Look at that bounce, that shine. Okay? But I'm just gonna go ahead and y'all know the drill. Just repeat the same steps as a silk press until I get done pressing it out, and then I'm gonna get her, a trim. Y'all, I did not know that I was not recording for the cutting process. I mean, I'm recording, but I'm not recording me cutting it. Like, I'm so disappointed in myself. But honestly, when I start just doing their hair, I forget all about the camera. Like, I'm just focused on their hair. I need to just put a camera almost at every angle in the room, so this won't happen or whatever. But she didn't need as much hair as we cut off to be cut off. She just figured since we was cutting a big, amount or whatever. She showed me a picture of how Jada had her hair when she wore her natural hair cut into a bob, and she was like, let's just do that. And I'm like, all right, bet, let's do that. So yeah, we just cutting it into just like a little simple little bob or whatever, nothing too major. I sure don't edit the background. They know I be recording, and she know better. So she gonna see herself on YouTube and anywhere else I put this video. But anyways, this one of the girls that work at the shop with me. Her name's Candy. She does braids, y'all. I'll leave her information in the description box or whatever. But anyways, I'm just gonna bump her ends like a slightly bump, not how our mamas used to try to do our hair back then. No, doing a slight little bump. And then I'm gonna saran wrap her ass and put her up under the dryer and let her sit for a little minute. Nothing too major. She's getting very much ET phone home, as she should. But I love this part when I take the hair out of the saran wrap and it just falls. Like, y'all watch this. Ooh, then wait till she shake it. Man, I don't know, y'all. Like, it's just something about hair. Like, I love it. I've always loved it since I was a little girl. This has been my passion. It was meant for me to be a cosmetologist, y'all. It was just me. Y'all see it? Y'all still where? Stop playing. Y'all see the close up? I am sorry for how I got the camera angled, y'all. I'm gonna do better next time. But y'all see it, the shine, the body, the movement.